Okay, everyone, welcome back. So, in this video, we're going to talk about Zayra Apparel, whether it's a trendy online boutique that is a real deal or just another e commerce scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Zayra Apparel's website looks clean and professional, and it does sell items online. The site has a valid SSL certificate, and DNS filter marks it as safe. So far, so good, right? Not quite. Here's where the red flags start popping up. The website is very new with low traffic and no real online presence. There is no Trustpilot page, no Reddit discussion, and no customer reviews. A major warning sign. According to malware tips, the sign shows all the signs of a scam formula: unrealistic deals, fake company info, stolen product images, and questionable legal pages. Scam Advisor also notes the site has hidden ownership details, which is common among shady stores. Combine that with the lack of transparency in it, and it starts to look very suspicious. Now, for the final verdict, Zayra Apparel might look legit at first glance, but the lack of customer reviews, the newly registered domain, and scam reports make it too risky. If you value your time and money, it's best to steer clear. If you've shopped at Zara or Zayra Apparel, drop a comment below. Your story could help someone else avoid a bad experience. And as always, if a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Stay smart and shop safe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.